Hi everyone, I'm Natalie from Lash Perfect and from Hi Brow. I'm here on one of our training courses today at head office for brow lamination. So the Hi Brow Lamination has fantastic results. It's a really good way to make your brows look much fuller and thicker, and just to give a really good service to your customers. So the way that the treatment works is it's a way of really defining the brow hairs. You work with the natural brow hairs of the client. It's a processing time, so you have two separate products, a fixing lotion and a styling lotion that's just going to reset those hairs and make sure that they're all going in the right direction to give that uniformity. And also, if you want to give a brushed up bushy look, then you can. If not, it's a really good way to just give a really nice, natural, beautiful brow. Now the treatment can be done with a tint or it can be done on its own. At the moment we're finding in all of our salons that it's really, really popular. Everyone's asking for a fuller and thicker brow, and that's what you can get with Hi Brow Lamination. So we're just going to take a little look now at our trainees and see what they're learning today. Okay, so we're here with Devon today, who's one of our trainees. She's just finishing the treatment, so can you just tell us what you're doing at the moment, Devon?
Yep, so I'm just removing any remaining tint that I've got on, as I've just finished the actual brow lamination.
Okay, and did you find it quite easy to do the treatment?
Yeah, really easy, it's so good, and the results are actually so amazing.
Yeah, her brows look incredible.
Really good.
So you've done a tint after,
yep.
And have you found that it's made the brows look a lot fuller and thicker?
Yep, a bit more defined, obviously the shape is a lot more defined as well, so yeah.
Okay, great. And what's really good about this treatment is as well the client I can see you're brushing them upwards at the moment, aren't you?
Yeah,
so,
definitely.
and if she wants them a bit more natural, you can just brush them.
I can smooth them out a little bit better,
over,
yeah.
So you can give sort of any kind of look.
Yeah, sort of a more fuller look or a little bit more of a sleeker kind of look.
And are you finding that clients are wanting a bit more of an advanced brow treatment? So I know that you already offer our Hi Brow.
No, yeah, definitely. I mean, obviously a tint and wax can do really nice looks to any kind of brows, but the brow lamination is just a whole other level. With like
I think what it does is it really enhances what the client has.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
So if they've got sparse areas here, as I can see that the brows were a little bit thinner here.
Yeah, so now they're literally just completely filled in that little shape there, so it's now creating that more fuller kind of look.
Perfect. And how are you going to finish off the treatment? Are you going to use any products on the brows or just leave them as they are?
Yeah, I might use a little bit of a gloss just to kind of keep that little sleek kind of look. I'm going to do a bit of a highlighter there because I love highlighters. So yeah.
Look, yeah. Okay, perfect. And how long did the treatment take you? Considering it's the first time you've done it, would you say it was quite a simple procedure?
It was pretty easy, yeah.
Yeah?
Felt pretty confident doing it. It took about around 40 to 45 minutes, including with the tint, so
that's really good. And
yeah.
I suppose it would take a little bit longer if they wanted the tint a bit darker.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. But other than that, really easy.
Great, fantastic. Okay, so we have Devon here today, who's learnt to do the treatment, but she actually had the brow lamination done, was it about 2 weeks ago?
About
4 weeks ago,
yeah.
Perfect. So how have you found your brows have been since?
Really good, really good. The brow hair has actually stayed up really well because my actual hair does grow downwards.
Yeah.
So I just fix it into place in the morning with a little brush and maybe a bit of brow gel, and it just holds all day.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So you find that in the morning, how are your brows in the morning? You obviously still have to brush them because as their hairs, they've been processed, but they're still going to move.
Yeah, so they obviously go back into kind of a normal way they were, so it's really easy just to brush them up.
And you use, is it the Brow FX?
Yeah, the brow gel, and that is, I think, dark brown.
Okay.
Yeah.
And have you found you've had to tint them in between? So it's been about 4 weeks now. I know.
Yeah, so obviously your hair will kind of grow round, and the actual tint will go a bit lighter, so I do need to tint them every now and then. But again, it was just still going to place. They still look really good. Yeah, they are really good.